There's Michelle.
Hey.
Hey, and this is Josh, and we are Adventures Ahead, and we are going for a little bit of a 4th of July celebration type thing. It's at the airport in Battle Creek, and we have like a fair, and there's like an air show, and there's like some other stuff.
They're throwing chainsaws at one.
Yeah, so hopefully, you know, we'll catch some of this stuff. But yeah, I got VIP because I work at Schlotzsky's, and Schlotzsky's has a tent out there. They serve food. So I got like VIP tickets and VIP parking, so that's pretty cool. I get it. I've gotten it for the last several years, just cause, or whatever. So, yep, they're in here. So, but yeah. So we're gonna pick our friends up. We'll show them. Hopefully they won't care about being on camera.
I didn't tell them that we were gonna vlog today, so
yeah.
Even though Josh told me I should, I did.
Yeah, I told her, hey, please tell them.
They won't care. They're cool.
I don't know. We'll see how they act. Okay, bye-bye.
Josh, can you do like...
Hey, how's it going? This is our friends. This is Jeff.
Hey.
And this is
Hi.
Kayla.
Hello.
And yeah, we're getting ready to go to the fireworks. Okay, we'll see you there. Bye. Hey, Jeff.
Hey.
Hey, girls. She said you got my whole... Hey! We are in the VIP tent, because that's what my work does, hooks me up, so that's cool. So we got like all kinds of beers and stuff in there for like $1, and then like...
There's a bunch of Amish people here.
There's a bunch of Amish people here, Michelle said. I'm gonna go see what's going on over here, Michelle.
100? Alright, do we have enough guesses?
Alright, now anytime you do this event,
I've been joined 5.
you are allowed to set the teeth of this all into the law.
Yeah, you're allowed to set the teeth.
That's for safety.
Yes, it's for safety.
But you have to do it right. Every good cut
Dale,
start.
just set the teeth already.
I'm ready.
What? Dale, there is a big difference between a good 2-cent being practically halfway through.
Yeah?
No one wants to see you start from there, start on top. You see, that wouldn't surprise me. 1, 2, 3, go. This is not going to take Dale long. Still is a lot of work. Going to be driving off here any moment. And there it is. 6 seconds.
I have hot dogs, pulled bratwurst, and pulled pork.
I'll have a pulled pork
On a bun or no bun?
Yeah, a bun.
Bun? Well, I guess that answered my question. I just didn't hear you say sandwich this time. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you?
Mac and cheese?
Yeah, I'll have some.
Fries? Hot dogs?
Hush puppies, fries?
Yeah, I'll have
On a bun or no bun? Bun.
I'll have a little bit of fries and a couple hush puppies will be fine. Thank you.
It's a variation on the traditional air show snap on top of the loop. As Bill comes up to the vertical here, he comes across the top, yaws the aircraft aggressively, and then tumbles it one time all the way around, converts it into a standard loop, and flies away like a walk in the park. Ladies and gentlemen, it's here for Bill Stein. In 1/2 second. Now let's watch the demonstration of the spiraling tower. Right on up out here off of Air Show Center. Keeps that airplane rotating as it continues to climb, gets to the top, gives it a crew cut turnaround, and recovers after a 1 turn. Now he goes into an upright flat spin. He's gone through 2 revolutions, lets that nose come down, lets that wing start to bite at that mid-Michigan air, and extends. Air Show Center. As we watch Bill reposition out here in that left-hand zone, climbing on a 45-degree arc, lets that airplane out of work out there in that left-hand zone and repositions for the next portion of his air show demonstration. Again, right out around. Hey, Bill, looks like we got just enough room for one more if you want to. There it is, that gigantic right yaw, then followed by a hard blunt rudder, and he tumbles the airplane right on around, nose under the tail, as he still comes back down onto our hard deck here. Right on out here. Showing an airspeed right now about his air show right. Aggressive pulls that stick back into his lap. Let's watch here as he's going to snap roll on top of the loop. Right here in the avalanche. No, he does 2, 3, and 4 to the quadruple snap on top of the loop. After takeoff, they'll quickly transition airplane mode by rotating the engine nacelles and prop rotors down until they're nearly level with the rest of the airframe. This tilt rotor design combines some flexible takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed, the range, and the service ceiling of a turboprop airplane. The windows in very many weapons. 25 seats. The United States Marine
Guess I should have zoomed in on Shalotchki's. Down there.
Man, it is hot.
Hey guys, it is hot AF here
gosh.
today.
My face is probably 50 shades of red.
It's probably like 90.
It feels like 98.
It feels like almost 100, yeah. And with humidity. So
It's bad.
and we're big people, so we're like
That's
really
why we
hot.
wear dark shirt.
Yeah. Can't see. So but yeah, we're gonna head to the carnival part, so we got a lot of food stands and stuff. We made it to VIP, so we're not that hungry.
Yeah, well, free.
Yep.
Oh, I wonder if that wind is. Should have got a thing.
I can do that. You want peppers and onions on that, sir? Sure. They're all mixed together, but I will try.
What'd you think of the air show, Michelle?
I thought it was good.
Yeah, it was cool what we did. So then we got we're gonna be walking through this over here. They bring some cars out. This isn't anything like it used to be when I was a kid, but it still is all right. It's just nice to go out and do something for a day. So we're just waiting for our friends. I'm just gonna Hey guys, I'm gonna interview real quick.
Alright.
What do you guys think about get together? Kayla. Hey, you're on anyway, don't matter. Hi Kayla. Hey, what'd you think of the air show, Jeff?
It was awesome. I like the hybrid between the helicopter and the plane.
It's hot as a mother out here.
Yeah.
So how you doing? How you doing? Good out here? You like the shops? Checking out some of the rides?
Yeah, I'm thinking about buying this 10-gallon cowboy hat.
Yeah.
American flag, USA edition.
That's cool, man.
America.
And then show the dress that you got, Kayla.
No, I don't want to do that.
She's on it anyway. The whole body.
Whole body. I just throw around the words together and they almost make sense.
Oh, that thing squirted me. I was like, what the frick? There's like water. I was like, who squirted me with water?
Oh, you got your armpit?
Yeah, dude. This random thing squirted me with water.
I love my cowboy hat.
Really, just said Nature Boy?
Ric Flair.
You heard that song?
The Ric Flair drip. Go woo on a bitch.
You know, I haven't actually heard it, but I heard people talking about it.
Yeah.
They were playing it at work the other day.
Dude, I used to love that one, Alpine Bob's.
Yeah, I do too.
That's where it goes way out, Michelle.
I even know this thing too.
Did you?
Yep. In the mirror.
And some of these rides are bringing back some
I was
memories.
to the rock wall though, because it costs money. My dad would get mad, he's like, it's not included.
Super. That'd make me sick, dude.
I've been on that before.
I love when you run up over that hill. Oh, then you go reverse, remember? Yeah. I would get sick in this.
If I rode this one, I don't remember. I'm trying this one.
Hey, this is kind of like a off play of what you played, Michelle.
You seen me?
Oh, it's okay.
Hi, Kayla. Dun, 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 dun. Michelle, sit down. That's a cool bench, man. Hey, got me a lemonade. I like the fresh squeezed, and it's good.
Our friends are getting lemonade.
So we want an exclusive interview. How you like the lemonade? Just take a drink.
Refreshing.
See? Mini donuts, deep fried big cup.
Stop at Schlotzsky's and get a water. Because their waters are $1.
Get Jim Bob on it. Jim's in our vlog. Hi, Jim.